This video will show you how to install your Orbi Wi-Fi system using the Orbi app from Netgear. Let's get started. First, download the Orbi app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Once downloaded, launch the app. Sign in or create a Netgear account if you haven't already to get started. Select Yes to install a new Orbi system. Now, allow camera access to easily scan the QR code found on your Orbi router. This will help later for connecting to the Orbi network. Scan the QR code on the router. We recommend rebooting your modem when upgrading to your new Orbi system. Then, plug the Ethernet cord into the yellow Internet port on the back of the Orbi router and plug in the power adapter to turn it on. Next, you'll want to place and plug in your Orbi satellites throughout your home, allowing a few minutes for them to fully boot up. Once powered on, your satellites should show a solid blue light if there's a strong connection to the router. If you see amber or magenta on your satellites, we recommend moving them closer to the Orbi router. Now the Orbi app will attempt to auto-connect to the Orbi pre-configured Orbi network. If you are not able to scan the QR code previously, you'll need to connect to the default network printed on the Orbi router. You can find this on the clear sleeve that came on the router or on the label underneath the router itself. Once connected to the network, the Orbi app will search for your satellites. If your satellites were not detected, we recommend moving them slightly closer and trying again. Now, we'll set up and personalize your new Wi-Fi network. Your admin password is used to securely log into your router when on the local networks to make changes or updates. We recommend turning on Remember Me so that you won't have to log in again. Just in case you forget your admin password, you can use these security questions to reset the login credentials. Great! Your new settings are now being applied. We recommend updating to your router's latest firmware version. If you change the Wi-Fi name and password from the default settings, give your router a minute to reboot and apply these settings. Then, you'll need to reconnect your phone to the new Wi-Fi network to complete the setup. Once connected with the new settings, you're all finished with setup. Now on the Orbi app dashboard, you'll see all the features your Orbi system has to offer. For the latest information on our products, visit netgear.com/support. Thanks for watching.